Good morning, student. From today itself, we are starting our practical syllabus. First activity we are going to discuss. First activity, activity number 1 on page number 20. The activity is to prepare phthalic anhydride. The chemical required is phthalic acid. 2 gram phthalic acid we have to take. The apparatus required: 1. First, that is glass funnel, then china bowl or crucible, filter paper, wire gauge, tripod stand, Bunsen burner, and cotton to generate cotton plug. Now procedure. First, we have to weigh 2 gram phthalic acid and we have to add it in china bowl. Then this china bowl should be covered by Wurtzmann filter paper and tied it with the help of thread. On this filter paper, we have to generate small holes so that the vapors which are generated inside the crucible or china bowl should comes out from this bowl. Then this bowl covered with filter paper should be covered by inverted funnel, and the opening of the funnel should be covered by cotton plug so that the vapors of phthalic anhydride should remain inside the funnel. Then this china bowl is kept on tripod stand covered with the wire gauge. This china bowl, this complete arrangement, china bowl, filter paper and inverted funnel should be kept on wire gauge, which is kept on tripod stand. And then this phthalic acid 2 gram which is filled inside this china bowl should be slowly heated at low flame for near about 5 minutes. Now look at this reaction. Here, on heating of phthalic acid, one water molecule is eliminated during the process of crystallization, and due to removal of this water, this phthalic anhydride is produced. This phthalic anhydride, when produced, it comes converted into vapors and comes out through these small pores or holes generated on filter paper. The upper part of this funnel is having lower temperature, so these vapors of phthalic anhydride get condensed on the wall of this glass funnel, and small needle shaped colorless or white crystal of phthalic anhydride get accumulated on the wall of this funnel. After 5 minutes, you stop the heating and let it cool down. After it gets cooled, you should remove the funnel from the china bowl and scratch the wall of this funnel to separate the phthalic anhydride crystal. Then these phthalic anhydride crystal should be collected on a filter paper or a paper or on watch glass, and then they should be weighed. And the weight of phthalic anhydride crystal you should mention in the third point of result, that is yield of the crystal. It may be 5 to 5, depends how much amount of crystal is generated. Shape of the crystal is needle shape and color of the crystal is colorless or white. Clear? So this is the complete procedure for synthesis of phthalic anhydride from phthalic acid. Now I am going to show you the demonstration of the practical. Look at this. This is about electronic balance. Here one switch is there. By this we are going to on the chemical balance. Okay, let's 0 come over here. Now 0 came. Now first we have to keep the paper on it. Okay, after keeping paper over here, we have to use first button to bring it on 0. Okay, then this is tear button. First button is tear button, so you have to press tear after keeping the paper, so it again comes at 0. Then you have to add the phthalic acid on it. Okay, you have to slowly add 1 gram phthalic acid on it. Slowly you have to add. Okay, we have to take 2 gram phthalic acid, so slowly you add in it. This is 1 gram. See, this is 1 gram 850 milligram. How to read that I am showing you. In exam you have to perform it. See, it is exactly 2 gram. So we have weighed 2 gram phthalic acid on electronic balance. Now we will take this sample. Let's see the next step of the practical. See, now I am showing you one by one. This is our Bunsen burner. Okay, last year, if you remember, in lab you had seen this. Okay, then here the knob, by this you can on and off this. Then this is tripod stand which we are keeping on it. Then this is wire gauge. Okay, this is china bowl or crucible. First you have to clean it. Then you have to add 2 gram phthalic acid in it. Then this is our filter paper. You have to cover it properly by filter paper, and then you have to tie it with the help of a thread. नीचे दिखाना, हाँ जाने दो. In this way you have to tie this filter paper. Then extra paper which is remaining over here, either you fold it. Okay, so it should not come in contact with the flame. Then with the help of pencil or your rounder, you should generate small pore on it. Okay, now you have to keep it on this tripod stand and wire gauge. Now this is funnel. Look at this funnel. First you have to take a small cotton, and this cotton plug you have to fix inside this funnel's opening. In this way it should be closed, so that vapor should not come out from the funnel. And then you have to keep it on this filter paper. Now we will ignite this burner and allow it to heat for 5 minutes. Near about 5 minutes you have to heat. you will see when the phthalic acid is heated, slowly the reaction will take place. The phthalic anhydride will be generated by the removal of one water molecule, and the vapors of phthalic acid will come out from these pores of filter paper. You know that the upper wall of this funnel is having lower temperature compared to lower part. So the vapors of these phthalic anhydride get condensed on the wall of this funnel and get crystallized, and the big needle shaped colorless crystal of phthalic anhydride get accumulated on the wall of this funnel. अभी बंद कर दो।
नहीं दिखती है, इधर से देखने का। हाँ, उसके नजदीक मतलब तेरा रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है। अरे हाँ, हम कट कर दे।
Now look at this. You can able to see the needle shaped crystals on the wall of this funnel. Okay, let it cool down. After get it cool, we will remove it from the burner and we will scratch the funnel to collect the crystal. Okay, now look at this. Now it is cooled down. Now we will remove it from the burner and then we will remove this funnel. Look at this needle shaped crystals. Are you able to see these? These are the needle shaped colorless crystal of phthalic anhydride. Now I am going to scratch it on a watch glass and then I will weigh it. Okay, so first we will get this watch glass on the weighing machine. Now again we will tear it. It will become 0. Now I am going to scratch the crystal and add it on that crystal on watch glass. See, is it visible? So nice crystals. So look at this, the weight is 0.330 gram. Okay, that is 330 milligram of phthalic anhydride crystal. Okay, so in result you have to note down that the color of crystal is colorless, shape of crystal is needle, and yield of crystal is 3.330 gram. Okay, so here our first activity is completed, that is preparation of phthalic anhydride crystals.